for my mama Aquaba at about Xposed, so only a Bema Limo, Elicam Kwame, America, and the show now. And Coma, Ebony say, Osha Twitter, Assembly Air Trendy Address, Eastwood, Anaba, any Papa Bishop Duncan Williams, any other to your address, a pay a auditing or National Cathedral, no, now auditing here by the address, Sika, and concrete gada, a good auditing. I did be good National Cathedral football no. You will say account edit team phone or mine. Na o ma dream etumi tell e hu say say na sika na e aba no te e die ni because National Cathedral ye si de ma o mine no e na nya sika bi ne ekobo obusu ne be hye mu ya se de etu abonte say ankonkre pese eboa no empo ma ye si National Cathedral e me ye de be si embre bi tue say 100 Ghana bi e be say every month bi obi afanya the tight na won fun tua emfoma National Cathedral no ne emfom po na yensi na ne yete ho ne abete say National Cathedral no 2.6 million Ghana cedi no se won tie 2.6 million Ghana cedi no e ma wo fele say enye sika bi a me ka titi sika no 20 billion afa baby na yembra be yi asem na no a na ebi mo ye the demons of the country are against me. Demons are against me. Some people want to defame my name. Defaming your name, no, you can hold two names, two mothers, and one sem so adults baby. Na some same way bano ena. Your papa Duncan Williams and his two nana badi abase there be. I deal with the na kosin no. Eye wo mu se eye government. Abai na ama ye this idea we aba. Nanso ye nipa edo makoto ano no. Ese board of trustees. Na chese nkofo ye di gibia show mu say sikani nyoma any affairs and running of these activities no of National Cathedral e wo sankofo wensem it ye hye sankofo wensem no na chire say ye ji omudi ti na use the word trustees it ye ji omudi no na chese sikani emfa baby enko baby enu nti na ye di sa nyoma we di aden e di ahye omusem na ehun sensem na aba no se oma hwe ye no mo anka na Ghana fo akoma ntom ye ma na chese de be show mutirim se bi o se na Ghana fo hope e wo mutirim se politicians se be e di yesika e ya konfo no saa so na asofo no so anam no se bi obi de beto wo da achi bi aka se na ye di asofo kra akoto asolia no so mo mbo na yesi National Cathedral no ya mu se sika bi e fa baby sika ebi mu ndi sika bi ama ebi mu se enye pepe yo na enkomu a ebi mu kra resign na when ni na Duncan Williams ni Eastwood Anaba de abase there bi se pepe yo be ko de yesre pa eningwase emfata akani ba na omuhwe edin o make na ebe nam National Cathedral politics wunti na ye de hye nyame anu na enunti Ghana fon kola bi mu ba be na be bi akaseti asofo eni asori ni na ebetua betwi won iti se ni omo kase ni na be kire se ye ma o de tembrem ni ehu se ade ise ni ye sika ni de akanie because ye di sika hye National Cathedral ni $30 million so ko hwe construction cost wa o wa den ni e wo si ni fie kura sika se no be se ye sole ye si $30 million na so every month ni etua contractor ni di sika sika ye di hye dining eno enye fe ti e be ya omo mbra no mbe account informa Ghana fo omo account enchire ye na obi ehu se futuo we ni sika we ni ye gye futuo we ni de ye gye ni na we ena ma menya question mark bisa se it ye papa Duncan Williams Eastwood Anaba omo kasa e trend say omo kasa e ko echire say ena se ye tena o man we mu na politicians no e di esika policies omo put in place affect Ghana for then they keep quiet obi be bisa say omo nim say policies na ye no say affect Ghana for omo church members no omo nye China for omo church members no omo nye Dubai for and omo church members no omo nye Fernando Po for omo ye Ghana for it policies no na ye ba be implement na for political interest in team ye ba be create policies be affect the ordinary Ghanaian do omo ye din na Ghana for na timamufo na kasa bre. Now we are ranting on social media. No man ye then they are preaching the word of God. There is a question say a baby in the Bible. A different Bible no. They were those times president. So when they create policies or do something against the country, the men of God, they don't fear because they know the God that speaks through them. They go straight to those kings and question them. There are some people, prophet people in the Bible, they ran away from those kings because they were hunted for speaking the truth. And they are they. Everybody waha, you want your papa Duncan will never catch say, wa arrested $1. And check and $1 ni good in mass. We make us in pipe boy fake. Ni pipe boy na fake. But the question was, when you papa and what if Ghana Finance Committee when you papa a finance minister, it is told to be on pipe to my idea. Now so physically no, say what the tip on cost for equatina dear biano. Incompetent for equatina de piano. Now, oh, bumpire. Oh, I yes, a wauba. Now, so bamba your doctor. Now, bano soria or secretive art and in the oh, how mokeke on by your doctor now open. It is a per dollar stabilized no bumpire canibia. And the dollar never good in Massipoto. Now, so the well being of the country now warfare. It is our new way or will be. And I say, painful dear bra, to me, and kasa. Do they have this mouth? One more quick, say, and I say, painful year, call it true, trauma, and go for because you can't afford a depressed papa. 80% of Ghanaians are depressed and frustrated by the current situation of the economy. No, could it be a while? Obi Bessie, question me, Obi can say. Ebia oko Eastwood Anaba minister bi owom or MPP eba na asole minister bi or NDC eba na asole. But no, you the pastor, let the members of the church know that me my church, if you are NDC or MPP, take your NDC and MPP to sit home. But when you come to the church, you are so that I am winning for Christ and I want the well-being of the country because so many more dear. A trick of Bremaya would be good so. A trick of Brema would be bad so because pastor is supposed to preach, heal, use the gift of God to preach for people to know Christ, use the gift of God to heal, prophesy, and help people spiritually. The church is a spiritual what? Hospital. And one year, in a year, but the question is, some member or pastor, not just niti pay pine, not the national health insurance, ebe cost a hospital. Ne was so assassin cap from and my own national health insurance. When the back set to memophobity, when the one cophobity, it is the pastors because the kind of congregation kofowe agada abiodeno. Sometimes when they talk, they know that they hold the congregation. The president and the government know say, hey, onipa we are all same way there. Not that means asem agin same, but he left the buy. I saw for Ben in your mom back aside. They did not talk because they don't care about us. Yebe komu, ebe mo obi owo echebe say, sebi asofo ni there, they see campaign on mo. The kind of reputation you people have built no, because can it be a baby? Asofo sorry or my way no. Who your minister now will be? They stand outside and talk to us directly. Omo jina bonte cut politicians name e ka omo dream the chire omo. Nothing. It me I'm not against the omo kasi yembe audit no. But me be so. Yembe audit the National Cathedral. Nanso sike bi apa fa baby wo Ghana o mai we mu ayete. Sika afufa baby ni ade. Ya bisa ana yenya ye mpanyifo ya bi te sa sofo mu wa anu a omu kasa Ghana fo tie a omu ba bonte be kasa ye hwa enye mu be ye public audit from Ghana for concerning ebia sika yira wo a friend say airport sika yira wo road construction we mu ayentumi an complete an kasa nkofo we kasa ye mpanyifo be hu say these men of God are not against us, but they are after the well-being of the country. But entisa obi beka say omo nya sika emfi politicians wunti, they will keep quiet. Ombeye din, but they bia me ka say won kase won pese obeye politics ah. There are two things. So it is either you get involved or you talk about politics. Because politics no omo policies ni nyoma bi omo ye omo be wini government and no mo implement the mama me ne wo. Because nipa obe vote ni dia ko parliament no ono oba be hihye mbrama me de wo. Ono no obe yi ni judges e betena Supreme Court o. Enya wo. When you involve into politics, you only talk about you're partisan for a particular party, maybe a CPP, MPP. But when you talk about politics, because when someone wins power, who's a political party meaning about power. So when you talk about the politics, the government, you are talking about certain policies that not go according to your way. Higher. Now policies ben a be Ghana for a be cassette. Free SHS. One catches a public audit. I was the free SHS. And especially on this issue, a friend is saying, COVID, you pay a public account to be put toward the money when a kasai. If they have this mouth to talk, a payment ko fobeti dia, and yes, Omunya no from bone Ryan paying phone sim. No money and down, no moon said Ghana for the edge. Then yes, 31st baby near Bema prophecies. Ya pray. Ye person money a ye, and no never boy. Ye paying for the year, my young bar solid by prophecy. Ye bar solid be show Jesus Christ. I want to know our more money. And ye say, you should Christ to a solid demo. Ye shall in century, and I'm not true for a boy room. And then almost won't say your person training to, or maybe I sang century, and I sang come share, because I need a pen. But see a bonny being forced to good policies are. When I cause for the occupancy training, because employment war make hospital free. Me yen your mamma pay me basic needs. Me basic needs, me penny na me saka. Me sorry, me brand sana me titi. And my pressure me that sorry so. The people who will be going to jail will be people who are willing to follow Christ. The conversation I may have in here. You understand? Iti media enya issue na abana say yanko into the auditing of the National Cathedral no. But sadly we esparkle issue am I bisa say the empenyfo wa no a omo betuma kasa as men of God go to the be kasa wo be kasa tia o man panyi bia na wo be kasa tia asem bia ye feel say we MPP no we NDC. But when anu be ba na back for the government for the development of the country ebe boa am on mine to pon baby edri enya people ni NDC o baby on mine do no it is about the well-being of the country and kofobia ye bi kofobia ya se om aye bi atena se am om man akoso Ghana can do it. Ghana can really do it. Na de bia ene on Reverend Kusi Boatin Mr. Weja and then the baby sound and say oh call ye thing. Trustee board members and I would is the king ye thing. Say no clear send allegedly actually says he can't for baby dear. Question is say oh ye thing. And I will say ya no chair no say demons it's against you. And then Mr. Ye bisa say, Oba ha, ebe yitire mu kire, ebe ye den. And ye Ghana for beka oba ebe ye den. On betire mu ankansem we ni na ye den. Empa. Ebusianfo, me amede djumede ebro. This is one of the laughter side of it. Me dey ni more elikem kwame amega obetumi afro African. Aha, Xposed GH. Na dey me person me training na say people have the mouthpiece. People are mouthpiece of this country. And you see a bad demonstration and I'm say a so funny bumuchina. Mom so mo pegana here. Say no to make kasano. They can talk in togetherness to build the country. Oh, we need power. Forget about say we MPP NDC. send your mind be koyi ebe man kofo ebi mu say asofo no pe twen ya ho ebi so man eye yie but ebi ya ye din ne so ya o man panyin ye de o mo pa they will still and always continue stealing the Ghanaians blindly. Stealing the Ghanaians, the ordinary Ghanaians blindly. Because me need to careful to a court say a yes say yes I public committee accounting. Go for 2018 and be more I agree ye. Ye serious. Ye yes animal in a child being to prison that. You should say a cost. Ye a pocket ye take. It is sent on one, yet the SLS or Monfas or man and Cassa and Magana for na yen, ye bray. It was for a hand of Dimobesi. Only a bear my limo, Alicam Camry, Amadan. Went to my friend African, my cram, and send me the Bessia. Bye bye.